Indian Medical Association has given a notice, maybe a kind of message to the national government as well as to the ICMR, saying that there are possibilities of community spread in many parts of India. Indian Medical Association Kerala State Branch also has given a letter to the CM stating that there is a probability of community spread in Kerala also. WHO, World Health Organization, states that we can say community spread if there are a lot of patients in which the contact cannot be traced. That is one criteria. And also the second criteria is that if there are a lot of zero positive cases, when there is antibody tests are positive in many cases, we can say that there is a community spread. The third criteria is that the outbreak of illness with or without contacts in a particular area. These are the criteria World Health Organization is suggesting. But in spite of all these things, there are a lot of cases which are coming in Kerala, which are becoming positive in which we cannot trace exact contact. That's why I am saying that we have a community spread at the moment. But irrespective of the definition or the criteria in which we say the possibility of a community spread, we must understand that the situation can go out of control at any moment. In Kerala, what is happening is that a lot of people are coming from outside Kerala and also from outside India. Lakhs of people are coming every day, and the number of positive cases are also increasing. The patients who are becoming positive from contacts is also increasing. Even though we can recognize the contact, the number of cases through the local spread or the spread through the communication is also increasing. That is also an alarming situation. AMA has requested to have a institutional quarantine, but it was not practical and it was not implemented by the government due to reasons which are beyond our control. But home quarantine definitely is practiced world over. Maybe there are people who did not bother to obey to the home quarantine principles and rules. They must have gone out and probably they must have spread the disease to other people. So at the moment, what we can do is we have to increase the number of tests. That's no doubt. We have to increase the number of tests in all red zones and all hotspots. We have to do the test maximum. We have to do tests in all places for all the patients. We have to visit households and do the test and find how many patients are positive. That is one criteria. And the next one is we have to test all the health workers, doctors, nurses, paramedical staff and other field staff. We have to test all of them, and we have to find whether there is any positive cases among the health workers too. So at the moment, we have to increase the tests in a very, very good number. Maybe we have to test all the health workers as well as all the probable contacts, and especially in the hotspots. That is one criteria. Basically, we have to go back to the basic principles of COVID prevention. That is, then we have to keep that the social distancing very very strictly. We have to keep the social distancing. Use of mask is very compulsory, and we have to obey that. We have to do that very in a very scientific way. And also the hand washing, hand hygiene principle also must be obeyed by everyone. So it's a tough time for Kerala, but I think if we can do we can do maximum tests in the among the general public as well as in hotspots, and if we can obey all the social distancing rules on the way in which we have to use mask. If you obey all those things, it may not be a problem to contain the illness, but it's a tough job for the health workers as well as for the government at the moment.